So here we are, we finally made it to Brussels meeting, and we already checked in, and we checked into both customs leaving Brussels and checking into London Customs Border Patrol. I meant to say border control. We scanned our passports in, we scanned our tickets, and here we are waiting. We have about 25 minutes before we have to board the Eurostar in Brussels Midi, the London Pancras station. Here we are at Midi North. We're waiting to board the Eurostar. And the platform is packed. The train is going to be late, I think. If the train is on time, we should get to London at 5:47 p.m. and we're gaining an hour, so which is good.
Have that one to the money changer? This is the fast ride.
I think this is our train. So here we are, we made it to the Eurostar. We just boarded. It was a long day, a long haul, and we made it. So next stop, London, and hopefully the walk is like 1 or 2 minutes to our hotel, so we should be fine. Here we are, we're pulling out of Brussels Midi, and we're gonna head into the channel. I don't know how long the ride is to the channel. How long is it, honey?
Oh, it's long. Probably about 30 or 40 minutes. It's a high-speed train.
Yay, this is fun.
Chers voyageurs, nous vous souhaitons la bienvenue à bord de cette Eurostar, destination Londres-Saint-Pancras International. Notre arrivée à Londres est prévue vers 17h47 heure locale. Je suis Pierre et avec Patrick, nous sommes vos chefs de bord aujourd'hui. Nous allons passer dans le train. N'hésitez pas à nous poser toutes vos questions sur votre voyage. Les bars café Eurostar sont dès à présent ouverts dans les voitures 8
Very
et
misty
9. Ingrid et Rebecca seront
and
ravis
foggy here in Brussels.
Des prises
Same in
continentales et
Germany
britanniques
as we were
sont
coming.
également disponibles à chaque siège, en dessous des sièges en seconde classe et en dessous des accoudoirs en première classe.